website tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to get free domain without paying anything. It's totally free, guys, and it's legit. The website is called ifreehost.com. ifreehost.com is down here on the description. You can check it out. Then once you're on this website, it's look like this. Then you scroll down. Here are the plans. There's cloud hosting, there's sharing hosting if you want to share it to your builder. Okay, let's see if they will charge us for the yearly prices. No, they only charge for the premium. Okay, monthly you don't get anything. This is the best plan. Let's go with the best plan. Okay, best plan. Okay, then you put your domain here, put this thing over here, then you write .com here, double dot, and use this domain. It will give you, okay, let me just add as this domain is already existing, use. Okay, they will give you the WordPress panel where you will build your website on, and then it's totally free. Okay, how it looks. Let's continue to check out. Okay, then you have to put your details. I already put it mine before on the other domain I was using. You don't have to put any bank details. It's just your details, your company name. It's totally free. Then you click this thing, then you complete your order, then it takes you to your cPanel. Then you install everything. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed. Make sure you subscribe for the latest videos, for the newest videos. Make sure you subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Stay blessed. See you next time.